Well, 84 because I stopped, but it's like 81 when I'm moving. It's a great day. Leonard, I'll turn around in Leonard and go back the other way. I remember, I don't know if you remember, I came to Leonard one time a couple years ago, and a tornado come through there and really wiped out some homes. I'll take a ride down that street and see if they're fixed. What a great day. It's Monday. Don't have kids today. The other grandparents came up here and they're spending some good quality time with them, which is great for them because we see them every day. They need to see they need to really get to know their other grandparents too. That's important. When I grew up, I only had one grandmother close by, and I had another grandmother and a grandfather, but one was in DC and the grandfather was in Florida, so I never really saw him, got to know him. So I only knew one grandmother. So it's important for my grandkids to know both sets of grandparents. I mean, they're only 17 months old, but hopefully we'll all be around for a while and they'll get to know all their grandparents, which is super important. Turn this off and turn on a little bit if I see any more. I bet they're all repaired by now, all those homes back. Well, this is Leonard. It's actually bigger than Cattle Mills. This is 1,920 people in Leonard and only 1,330 in Cattle Mills. I'm going to go up to that neighborhood and then I'll just turn around and go back. It's small too, but there must be more people somewhere. I like these small towns. Bonham. Okay, the neighborhood was up here a little bit. That must be the high school. Let's see. Independent School District. Oh boy. That's going to be fun going back home. Turn it back on as soon as I find that neighborhood. Here it is. Here's the neighborhood. That house up there was completely gone. So they did rebuild. This is a little neighborhood, nice little neighborhood that got destroyed. They got a tornado shelter now. Look at that. That's smart, but that's the house that was completely gone. The tornado took the entire house and they rebuilt. People are really smart. They got wiped out here, so they got tornado shelters. Building a shop. This house was all boarded up too from all the debris from that house. Well, that's really smart. Look at that tornado shelter. I'm gonna put more dirt around it. Another one. Look at all the tornado shelters now that they had a tornado come through here. There's another shelter. That's pretty smart. They got wiped out once. They don't want to get wiped out again. So there's 2 new tornado shelters. That's all I see so far. Yep, I'm gonna head back because I'm what am I, about 60 miles away from home. Whew, people are moving. Yeah, that's a nice neighborhood. It got hit hard with tornadoes. Bye.